Okay, so guys, today what we're doing, we're drinking all in the waters in the fridge challenge. AMG, this is gonna be hard. It's only going to take 2 hours. There is officially 9 waters in the fridge. All my first swim peeps. We're starting, Nani. Don't die. Okay, so guys, all my first water here. I'm like halfway done. 1 sec, I'm gonna finish it. And we're making some Sprite in here. But you're not even going fast. Yeah. Guys, as you can see, we got the fridge in here. And oil. Oh, my shower will me. What? We got my shower's mini fridge. We're gonna count oil waters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, we were like most doing this challenge. We got 8 oil boys, including ones I'm drinking right now. Everyone, I'm drinking. So fashion. I'm broken.
I did that.
One done.
Then I was like,
Yeah, that you had 2. You're so cool.
number.
Moogs. Oh my god, Moogs. Moogs, Mom! Quick shout out to Logan Paul. Paul Martin. Shout out to you. This one for you. We love you, Bob Martin. 3. Guys, we haven't mentioned our names yet, so we're gonna do that now. I'm Pip and I'm Squeak. This we are beasts. Make sure to subscribe. This will be awesome. Oh my god, I got a text.
Oh, that
That text is good. Oh my god, I think oh my god, never mind. Look, I could take a screenshot and put it in a video. I don't know how to do that. For that one, you guys go to subscribe. Guys, right now we are watching the football game. Sunday night football. Great game winner. Battle of the teams.
Sunday football. This is Sunday night football, and we're watching on this big screen. It's like on a movie theater.
For that BC TV, leave a like.
I like this TV, BC. It's great. As you can see, it's got sweet graphics, dude. I mean, me and Sweet, we don't want new water.
Yeah, so right now we're going to go grab another water. It has been like 10 minutes. No, how many?
We've been here for
20 minutes.
a lot of 3 minutes.
Yeah, 23 minutes.
All my 3 followers. Shout out to Ollie Dodden. I mean, it's great, man. Great life out here in Area 51.
Guys, hopefully Chick-fil-A is here.
I'm mini more.
We just made a mistake. We left the jumping.
There's nobody.
AMG. We got a little spill here. That water bottle's game. I'm gonna take this one and start drinking it. We're gonna clean up and close the mini fridge. Anything to say, Pip?
Get it now.
Man, I don't even know. I'm probably gonna.
Come on. Snap it right there. Wait, we need.
Speechless.
Oh my god, there's a robbery. JK. Just the mini fridge. I'm gonna close that up.
Go to Chick-fil-A.
Nice and chilly in there. I might need to play a plant. Stella, I'll try. For all my pool followers, those really good guys, I'm gonna show you some.
Guys, we got our Chick-fil-A. We got this one today.
Hit me in the head and just
Probably
did.
gonna kill me.
He's probably gonna kill me. But,
No, it's.
I mean, we're raiding Area 51 right now.
Just kidding, guys. We are not actually raiding area.
And
So much food.
right now, Pip is taking some
Got some
food.
waffle
There's
fries
Pip,
in
guys.
me.
Just take it.
Technique.
Waffle fries.
And just that's my bad pick. I'm gonna do my big good pick now.
What else we got in there?
What's up? There's a great talk. I'm gonna get the info in. I'm going to freak over here and put it.
Got my mom
So,
showed me this.
to all my followers, my great.
If you make this wrong, no, these are. Oh, we got some chicken
rules.
sandwiches. Let's go.
We got
Waffle fries.
one more
So
push-up.
good, guys.
I'm gonna get to my opposite hand.
Not true.
One more push-up. One more hooky shoot. Put it down, pig.
And also, guys, the best of them all. Guys,
You know, my boy Daniel.
all those things were
Guys, running away
Alright,
with
guys.
the 8 ball here. I want to make it in before.
I'll show you what the best part of
No
the song is.
chance.
Go comment below and say what you think.
Yes, sir. Hey guys, we got a little distracted with 40 minutes
Of
in.
course, the
We're still
chicken
drinking
nuggets.
some waters. I'm on my second one.
I'm on my first one because I've been kind
Pete
of
is still on his fourth cause yeah, he said it was working. So about to finish this one.
Right, we're gonna.
My followers subscribe.
I dropped it on.
My great honor.
Snapper.
Finish that second one. Toby. Guys, I think I'm gonna.
I think I'm gonna hit you.
I think I'm just going to real quick watch some time around the floor. Go to the lavatory.
Speak right now is in the lavatory because she had too many waters. She can turn that around. Fall upstairs. This week, he got to go to the lavatory. It's upstairs. Squeak. Okay, I'll be back. Squeak's gotta go real bad. Alright, now that Squeak is gone, we can watch some American football. Ready for this? Ready for this? Oh, let's see if my camera can focus. My camera's so good. Oh my god, Teddy Bridgewater! Sweet!
And he picks up a yard as it turns out.
Bro, I don't like the Cowboys.
Yeah, Cowboys are trash.
When we were talking
Get some
with
Sprite in
Sean
there.
about this whole thing at the quarterback position, he said we just got so used to Drew Brees doing everything.
He's
for us
mad at me when he
13
comes
years.
in.
This became that.
Yeah,
Became
I'm
that.
filming
Pretty
with
soon he was
Howard.
running the whole show.
Whoa.
With my new camera.
The cycle all the way back.
You wanna see what now?
And Taysom Hill are working
I'm
all
just
the
chilling
rest
on
of
my
the
love
games.
side.
So he'll just call in, hey, let's run number 3. They make the call.
My back, guys.
Oh, I think Squeak
I'm on the ground and
Squeak hurt his back.
in my head.
I think okay, now we're gonna be chugging the waters like crazy. We're just gulping them down. You can help. I'm gonna be chugging them like 3
I said it
a.m.
was 1 a.m.
No,
It was
3
3 a.m.
Not 3
It's
a.m.
not 3 a.m. It's probably it's like 9:30.
Sunday night football would not be on at
Sunday 3 a.m.
It's 3
And it's
a.m.
not even that full quick. Alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for.
So guys, now me and Pip are going to be chugging all of them. Starting now. Pip, come on, get a water.
Comment down below if you were waiting for that.
Oh, you boys.
That
What's your Squeak?
face back there.
The moment you've all been waiting for. Right here. And go to little school.
Boys. Sandwich room.
What? It's too cold.
When please, oh.
What mugs? Having street brother.
I'm not fine.
This is hard. You should try it. You should comment on this video if you did this in just 2 hours.
Make sure to do that right now.
We'll give you a shout out in our next video.
You might think that this is like,
It is actually freezing.
this was really
It's
easy.
40
It was
degrees
so-
cold. It's
I'm
like
not kidding. We finished.
80 degrees Celsius.
Barely.
I don't know. I'm not good at temperature. I'm not going to be a
Barely.
weatherman.
Same. It's gonna be one second.
Got a nice baseball shirt on. If you can tell, Pip got some sunburn at the Giants game. See right there? That's because I was wearing my silver sunglasses.
Snapple's really good though.
Oh, this is so hard. It's not really too hard, but it's really hard.
The bread is really good.
This is for you followers. Woo!
Yeah, so
Wait,
make sure to subscribe because he just did that.
this guy.
And also, just subscribe.
My movie's not going to be happy because this is road
Okay, so guys.
Tell all of your friends to look up on YouTube, download,
Probably guess in the comments
down
below
there
what our
channel.
actual
Our
names are.
channel name is
Send them
just
videos.
down there. But
I know it is.
what's so funny? I chose the name, guys. I chose the name.
20
Okay.
seconds to go do that.
Tell all your friends to subscribe. And you know what? We are going to do a giveaway at the end of the video. Yeah, I'm gonna get a cup too.
Triple cup.
We will give a giveaway at the end of the video. Make sure to stay tuned to watch that part. Or just hand it off there, but we're not done choking.
Okay. No, okay, guys, so
Squeak, would you like it?
hope you're done with that. Alright, why don't you start?
That was like his reaction.
What is your name?
Oh,
My name is James. Probably did not guess Snappy's name, but that's okay.
Pip's got to go to the laboratory. Pip's got to go to the bathroom. No good. Eagle Man football rules. Shout out to the Eagles flag football
I've been
team.
doing some accents today.
guys, just finished all of 9 waters.
The accents,
And
we did definitely the
this
whole
is
first
so
one.
hard. Watching Sunday Night Football right now.
And now we're watching
Wait, first of all,
Big Bang Theory.
we're gonna do a
Yes,
live
sir.
replay of Drinking All the Waters in the
So-
Rain. So I'll start.
Our stomachs are hurting. Please make sure to subscribe to this video.
Now we are watching
Okay, so guys, today we're gonna be
Our
drinking all in the
first
waters in the fridge
subscriber.
challenge. OMG, this is gonna be hard.
And we're going to take 2 hours.
Alright guys, that was just the first part. We'll do some more in one of our future videos.
Save a pair
What is
of
this gonna be?
A first subscriber.
Yeah, I know.
We'll get a pair of
No.
no
A first subscriber will get a pack of the crazy. You will get 5 pieces of double bubble gum. That's some intense bubble gum right there.
and our second subscriber will be receiving these mints.
Okay, so
We're at Pip's house, by the way.
having some mints right now.
Sorry, this video is taking really long.
Mint green, very good. Yum. I got a lot.
I got to dump some in my mouth.
Mooncake.
What?
And put them onto my couch.
If you put some in, it doesn't really taste like mint. Alright, guys.
Monday to Saturday.
Not
Sunday. And also, guys, quick shout out to the Challenges YouTube channel. Go check out that. Make sure to watch a couple of their videos, which will be coming out shortly, I heard. And also subscribe to them.
Also subscribe to Illuminati.
Alright guys, I'm gonna hand the camera.
Yes, sir. Okay, so guys, earlier in this video, I said I would do a giveaway. And that giveaway
One hand the camera.
is going to be... What should the giveaway be?
Snowball.
Should it be? No. Okay, our giveaway is going to be...
Oh guys, wait. Make sure to go. Make sure to go subscribe to the Daily Math.
Let me think about it for a little.
Oh yeah.
something weird happened there. So
We're in it.
the giveaway for this video, what you have to do, you must like this video, subscribe, and share it with at least 2 people, guys. And the giveaway will be a $5 Amazon gift card.
$4.
Spend it well, and you better use this well, because I want it in a cupcake challenge. So, subscribe and like this video.
Guys,
Sweep over.
flip over. Alright, guys. That's gonna do the video. Look up here. Alright, guys, that's the end of the video. See you guys next video.